Hello guys! Tayo naman ngayon ay magluluto ng chopseuey na with chicken liver. Meron tayo dito ingredients. Ay slice yan, garlic, onions, zucchini, a little bit celery, cauliflower. I have also here sayote, red bell pepper, carrots, cabbages, and also our olive oil for sautéing, silver swan special soy sauce or any brand of soy sauce. We have also here pepper powder for aroma and a little bit salt later. If it is not enough the salt, then we can put it, or option we can also use nor, but since this is with chicken liver, I just saute the ingredients of the chopseuey with natural seasoning. So now let's start the cooking. I have here bok fat and I have to make the fire. So let's start the cooking. We will put the bok fat with a little bit olive oil for sautéing. We will wait until it is hot. So I use first sautéing the onions and garlic. I can put them already together to avoid the garlic being burned. Now let us mix. Let's wait until it is brown. So let's continue sautéing. Since the garlic and the onions is a little bit brown, we can already put the chicken liver. Stir it and mix it thoroughly. You can cover it a little bit. Now let's continue sautéing the chicken liver. You can already put the soy sauce. This one silver soy sauce. Also the pepper powder for its aroma. Mix it thoroughly. Now we can already start putting the vegetables. First, of course, vegetables that needs to be cooked thoroughly. We have the sayote. We have also the carrots. Mix it again thoroughly. And also put some of the stem of our cauliflower. And also the celery stem. Mix it thoroughly again. I also put this one chicken nor for flavoring. We can put this one in the mixture. Of course, while I'm cooking the chopseuey, I'm also cooking already the rice here in the Salad Master rice cooker. It's already about to cook. We will just wait for maybe 5 minutes and it's already done. This one is moving because of the heat inside, which make rice to cook. Now let's continue. I can already put some of the other vegetables now. We must not overcook the vegetables. I can already put the bell pepper, also the zucchini. This is option. Instead of beans or bagu beans, you can use also zucchini. It is very delicious. We need again stir, mix the vegetable thoroughly. We still need to cover it until it is cooked. So now let's continue cooking. We can already put the cauliflower. I also make here cornstarch in water for this soup of the chopseuey. The leaves of the cabbage can also be put it in after 1 minute while we are cooking the cauliflower. course, this is the last vegetable that we're going to put. And of course, this one. If we still need a little bit salt for taste, we can put a little bit here. I think we can already put the leaves, because the leaves needs also to be cooked properly. Continue stirring. Oh, it looks good and delicious. So let's continue cooking. Wow. We can already put the soup with this, chicken flavor. Continue mixing. You see how it looks like the soup is already good. We just cook for maybe 1 minute, because we don't need to overcook the vegetables, so the vitamins of the vegetable will still remain in the chopseuey. This is delicious and also a healthy food. It's make our body full of vitamins and stronger. So this is our chopseuey with chicken liver. It's already done. It's yummy. It's a yummy chopseuey with chicken liver. I love it. This is very delicious and nutritious. It's yummy. It's already done. Of course, thank you guys for always watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and also share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. It's really done. My delicious and my own version of vegetable chop suey with chicken liver. It's yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.